Okay, I'm gonna play every machine here, okay? Well, except stickers, okay? So, they all look to be 75 cents or less, and that's good. Store is too busy to go for a bag. I don't have any bags. I have to use my pockets, which I'm not too fond of. So let's do this. Let me get my quarters out. My family are shopping, so hopefully it takes them longer than it's gonna take me. 2 hours. Okay, very good. I didn't hear that come out, so I thought we were gonna start off on the wrong foot. This guy is broke. Traffic here is insane. Now I'm gonna play this one here. Hopefully you guys can see good. I'm zoomed out as far as I can go. These are charmlets or something. And that's exactly what I got, a nice bracelet. Every other machine is a sticker. I'm not playing those right now. Although those did good for the older kids last year in my Halloween house. But this is a 75 center, sadly. Oh, it's the YouTube bracelets. Maybe. If it wants to spin. Okay, very good. Let's keep on trucking. Got ninjas for $1.25, 50 cents. Hand is still cut. You know what? Oh, come on. It just literally kept on falling down. I got a ninja. Yeah, I knew I was gonna get that. I don't know why I got shocked. Oh, recess is over, kids. So, I'm gonna get a Pop-It. Sweet. Of course, he's 75 cents. It's their best vending machine here. The 75-cent machines don't spin, though. We're 1 for 1. Very good. Got a purple Pop-It. Let's get a what do you call that? A shimmer star bracelet thing. Okay, very good. I'm gonna play one more and then see if I can go get a bag. My pocket is way too little for this, folks. Or I could take my gloves out. I have my winter coat on. I'm gonna get a Super Friends thing. So all the big machines, I got Batman, sweet, I got Bruce. So all the big machines except one worked. The one that didn't work ain't taking money, folks. I will be right back to play all the little machines that aren't candy. Okay, I went and I got a bag. All the quarter machines are probably either $1 or 50 cents. So we will start. This one of them gave me a free thing already. I think they're all $1, to be honest with you, considering some of the big ones are $2. And I was hoping to get a finger puppet or a bracelet, and I think I got none of that. Sweet.
Tell Dad you did really good.
I did really good, Dad. Don't worry, he knows. Okay, a generic rubber bouncy ball. Maybe. Wait a minute, maybe he's 50 cents. Okay. Wait, it gave me 2 because I thought it was $1, so I was like, you know what, I'll give you 2 anyway. Sweet beans, man. So we skip these. Good, I'm almost done, I'm halfway done. I'm playing the bracelet one now. See? Only one of them is broke, but it's not taking money. It's down there. Are they done already? Oh. Ooh, I almost got my finger trampled on. It's so weird. That ball machine is $2, this one is 1.
Yeah.
But it's the same price.
Yeah.
I need to take my pictures too before we leave. So we got 5 more to go. It's probably gonna be another hour. Just bear with me. I'm gonna try this one more time. These things are slick as crap. There we go. Yeah. That's because it wanted to take my money the first time. Hey, Dad, can you do me? It's a monkey. Can you close that for me?
Yeah.
Please, thank you. You got it? Keep getting slime capsules too. And then give me like $1 in quarters if you could, please. Thank you. Oh yeah, I forgot to have the next door neighbor over there too. Hot dang. This one turned more smoothly too, and it's another monkey. Most of these, huh? Oh wow. These ones give out 2 balls a lot. I think I'm 2 for 2 now, or 4 for 4. Okay, I'll need a couple more, thank you. You got it. The place at Pizza Harbor gives you balls too. Okay, one more, Dad, and then I have to go down over there. Is that all of them? A lot of these have monkeys in them. Okay, so I'm gonna get my other quarters out, then I'm gonna go down there.
Okay, I guess snap that one in place. There you go.
Thank you.
Where you gonna go now?
Next door. I'm gonna get my other rolls out though.
Okay, let me hand this for you. There you go.
There's a line though.
Okay, you can get your quarters out. I'll help you.
So can you just open that up and put them all in that? Thank
Yeah.
you. So 75, 50. I need 75, 50, 50 left probably. And then I need to get my pictures after that. Did you get them out?
Here you go. Yeah. Hey, you need you?
Here, let me just take a handful.
Okay.
Okay, good. So far, so good here. And then I need at least $1, maybe just 50 cents. Oh wait, no, I got it here. Depending on how much these machines are. A Tootsie Roll gumball. I wonder if that tastes good. It's a little dinosaur, and then the balls are the only ones that have names on them. There we go. Now I gotta monitor the last one, Dad, before we go home. I'm gonna see if they can fix this for me, and then I'll play it, and then say played all of them.
able to service that one right now because there's
Okay.
parts that are broken on it.
Okay.
Sorry about that.
Is there any way I could just give you quarters and I could get one or no?
I can give you, yeah, if you have 3 quarters, I can
Yep.
give you one. No worries.
I got plenty.
Ozark Gumbo.
How many would you like?
Just one, please.
What color? Green, orange, blue? That's a job.
The red one. Sure. Alrighty. Thank you.
You're very welcome.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, sorry about that.
Very good.
Chance to work on it, we sure will.
Okay.